Welcome to a short review about Exploding Topics Pro account. So on the left side, like you can see, we have the navigation menu here. You can create a project to track trends, and I will show you that later. So in the trends base, you can see you can go about every niche. Like for example, in the business, in the technology niche, for blockchain, for example, and you can see what is currently trending. That's where Exploding Topics shines. So for example, in artificial intelligence, you can see what was trending in the past 5 years. With the Pro account, you can even go narrow it down to 3 months. So you can see what was trend or what is trending in the last 3 months in the AI space, right? So you can say you can go for about percent increase in search over time period, like you can say growth, or what is the highest volume, what is the most searched, or what is the most trending. So let's say, for example, we want the highest searched to see what's the highest searched AI tool. For example, now we can see it's Claude AI here, something similar to ChatGPT. So we can see, and how we can track like those volumes is by clicking this button, track topic and new project. We can say AI tools, for example. And when we say create, now when we go back to trending, we can see we are tracking this tool here. And with time, over using Exploding Topics, we can see from the day we started tracking it, how the growth performs. So this is where the trend database is very good for. So you can easily find on the go, like the best keywords that are most trendy right now, and so you can make content around those topics in on YouTube or so and get a lot of views. So this was the trend analysis. So you can trend analysis, you can just type in any keyword, for example Claude AI, and we can see worldwide, and then it loads the data and we can see some more insights on it. So let's just wait to let this tool finish this loading, and then we see, okay, we see when it started, like 2023, and we see the exact searches per month or estimated searches per month. We see the channel breakdown in LinkedIn, on YouTube, so where it's the most like active or search coming from. And you can see what topics like are trending: Claude AI tutorial, Claude AI versus ChatGPT. On all of those topics, you can just click track topic and add it into your you see AI tools here, for example, project. And now you can use those tools, those keywords, to create content about blog posts, YouTube videos, and so on. So this is like the tool trend analysis, where you can just put in a keyword, say for which country you are interested in, and then just see what is also searched and related topics to that. So for the trending startups, you can see what are the most trending startups, for example, in the last 3 months. You can say from location, okay, I want like Europe, to see what's trending in Europe last 30 months. So you can see all the new startups that are now picking up and getting exposure. And that's like you have just everything on one click and ready to go. I mean, how cool is that, to see all the trending new startups? So for the trending topics here, the products here, this is more a use case for dropshippers. So you can see what are the most trending topics in the last 3 months for the dropshipping stores. So you can see those kind of tools work. Like you can see this pillow here. Who would guess that this pillow here is making a very great volume here, and it's kind of a trending product. So you can find easily good products for dropshipping stores when if you plan to start a dropshipping store. So you can see as well reviews. You can say, okay, I want very good reviews, so I want to see which products are performing very well and are good rated with average reviews here, you can see. And then you can as well say, okay, I need very high volumes to see what is like very searched. Like we can see here, this one has very high average price. You can see the average price, average sales, average revenue. And this one is, like we can see, a trendy product here, something like ping pong related, pickleball. I don't know what it is exactly, because I'm not from United States, so maybe it's just popular there. Whatever, correct me if it's like a popular thing. But yeah, this is like how to research the trending products if you want to start a dropshipping store. Meta trends, you can see what is currently like a trend in the meta. So AI transcription, AI video enhancers are very trendy. So you can even go further when you click view analytics, and then it will pop up. You can see what tools are popular: Topaz Labs, HitPaw, AI video enhancer, VMake, Media AI.io, Vid.io. So all those are very popular search terms. So you can make videos on that or blog posts. So this is actually everything you need to know about the exploring topics. As well, you have the API access when you get the other plans. So with API, you can integrate it in your own products. So this is all the functions you need to know about explaining topics. And my most favorite function is the trends the database, where I can instantly find something I like and see what is trending, and then just create YouTube videos about. So if you like that, the link is in the description below. You can sign up for a free trial, just costing $1 a month, and just enjoy this research tool.